Hello everyone, my name is Lily. Today I want to talk about my last holiday. My last holiday on the 13th of April because it's a special day in Vietnam. I want to have 5 days off, so my family and I went to some new places. On Wednesday morning, I finished all my homework, so in the afternoon, I my family went to Combine Beach to took some photo, make a big sandcastle, and eat seafood like crab, shrimp, and squid. On Thursday morning, my family went to visit my mother's friend's house. We played and ate at supermarket. On Thursday evening, my family went to the walking street to play and eat in here. We blow a lot of candies and it's so yummy. At night, my sister and me went to the grandma's house to sleep and play. On Friday morning, my sister and I grew and picked vegetables like cabbage, carrots, and a lot of. My sister was vegetable to cook some salad and it's very yummy. On Saturday morning, my my uncle and my aunt's family went to my grandma's house. I played cards and played chess with him. My aunt has a baby named Leo. I played with her on the afternoon. On Sunday morning, I came back to home and I came back to home and I came back to home and ready for the school on Monday. My favorite part was helping my grandma. I hope next year we can do it again. Goodbye, teacher.